Hey everyone, this is Cody Creelman coming at you in Vlad's vlog. Say Vlad, buddy.
How's it going?
What are you doing?
Eating as always.
Vlad is with me for the next couple of days. We're out on the road. We're looking at some cows and we got a horse to fix. We got some post-mortems to do. Vlad's just such a wonderful help. I wish that we could just have Vlad all the time.
Wow. You could.
I really need a nanny.
Oh.
Did you know that we call you Auntie Vlad at home?
What? Uncle.
Okay, we are on the road and it's just gonna be a lovely day. You like those?
Oh yeah.
Wool socks? Keen sandals? Yeah, boy. Okay, we got the horse half stitched up. There's just too much tension. I can't go any further. It looks better than it does. We're gonna wrap it up now with some Hibitane, some Telfa, some gauze, and then we'll put the horse on anti-inflammatories, antibiotics, and cross our fingers. See what happens. So that's the Hibitane. Take one of the, what color do you like best, Vlad?
Yellow. So Cody, what happened here?
This is called medicine, Vlad. It's like a tornado on steroids. What
What do you think the patient thinks when they see this?
The good thing the patients think that whatever. You should imagine a human doctor if they didn't have a bunch of nurses following them, cleaning up after them.
That's true. I think that's why you need to hire me.
Vlad, why don't you put down the camera and help? Okay, we're all finished the horse. I was able to get about half stitched up. Vlad practices bandaging. Oh, this is your first horse bandage. We put the horse on antibiotics and anti-inflammatories. I don't think it was in the joint, so overall I think the prognosis is pretty good. The owner's going to manage it over the next couple of days, hydrotherapy, wrapping it, and we should be okay. I'll do a case follow-up in a couple of days. Now we have a post-mortem, three post-mortems to do, plus another horse to look at. About an hour drive until we're at the next call, and that's it. Hey Vlad, can you edit my podcast?
trachea should not look this red. If I can open it up here. So you guys can see that the trachea should not be that red inside. Just open up the second one. Wanted to show you guys what the lungs look like before I cut them. So you see how it's white up here and then black down here? That's another sign of pneumonia. All this pus inside, definitely not supposed to be there. So for anybody who might be smoking, good motivation to quit is that this is most likely what your lungs will end up looking like, if not what they already look like. But continuing on. As you can see, the cow has a lobular-like kidney, so all the different lobes are distinguishable. That's what it looks like on the inside. So guys, when you finish vet school, this is what a real vet does. Instead of working, edits vlogs on his computer.
Hey, go cut those deads.
Talks on his phone while he makes the students go cut all the deads.
No, I made him edit the whole time, no. He's just been so quiet editing away, and I've just been driving and talking to you. Now I'm sitting here and he's getting geared up for his
Vlad's vlogs, mate. Why don't you tell the people why we're cutting dead cows open so they don't think that.
Oh yeah, that's a great point. So post-mortem diagnosis is a part of our integrated health management plan. So these feed yards hire us on as consultants to do basically everything animal health related. We set protocols, we set treatments, we look at live animals, and part of that is also doing post-mortems and looking at dead animals as well. We collect that information to do real-time treatment and prevention protocols. So let's say we have a pen outbreak of a specific disease, then we're able to go in there and initiate a treatment. Or we also collect the data that we use from an epidemiology standpoint. So we crunch that data and we know what percentage of specific diseases we have, and it allows us to guide those prevention and treatment protocols in the future. So the data that we collect today will help us make decisions this fall when we're setting up protocols. So yeah, we do lots of post-mortems. Everything that dies within the practice, we get in there and make sure that the cowboys know why they're dying.
Thank you. All right guys, so seeing as I am of Balkan descent and seeing as we do everything on our own literally, I brought Cody some homemade smoked sausage, bacon, and I guess in our terms it's called suvo meso.
Okay, so which one's that? This one?
Yeah, that's the prosciutto, as you would say.
How do you suvo
meso?
Suvo meso. Suvo meso, smoked meat. Okay, so this one's suvo meso.
Yeah.
Okay, this is pork.
Yeah.
It's all pork.
All pork.
Oh, it's so good.
Need some bread with it.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Okay.
That's the bacon. Slanina.
Slanina?
Yeah.
Okay. Slanina. How's my accent?
It's good.
Slanina.
We'll work on
I think it gets better as you eat more meat.
it. Oh yeah.
So what's on this one?
Just pork.
Just pork.
Marinated in garlic and salt and water.
Oh yeah.
Need some garlic with it now then.
Are you gonna are you gonna cut to a shot of your dad smoking it? Like of the smoke racks? Okay. Vlad's gonna show smoke racks now. How do you say this one?
Slanina.
Slanina. Is that one your dad's favorite?
Yep.
Yeah.
Garlic.
I need some garlic. Okay, then what's this one?
Kubasica.
Like kubasa.
Yeah.
Like kumbata?
Kubasica.
Kumbasita. Why do you have Koba?
Kobasica.
Kombasita.
No M. Koba.
Kobasita. Kobasita. So like
just
a
ground
sausage.
pork with pig fat, pork fat.
you raised this pig yourself.
Yes, sir.
How come they taste so good? What's the secret?
Gonna have to keep that secret. Come out and see.
I think this one. Look how good that looks. I think that's my favorite. The what do you call it?
Suvo meso.
The suvo meso.
Yeah.
Are you making me say like weird words?
I should. Some swear words.
Oh yeah.
I'd lose my subscribers.
So good.
I'll get you some.
Is that like? Is the meat like? The top food like?
That's what you usually have when you have
That's
guests
like
and stuff.
That's like you
Cut
break
up a
up.
platter and you break it out
You have
with
like a
pickles,
charcuterie.
eggs,
Oh,
feta.
nice.
Yeah.
Thanks, Vlad.
Yeah. You should
I'm gonna buy some of this.
Tell my dad.
I need some of this. The vet likes it.
The vet.